Good morning. It's a basil check time. Let's see how it's doing. Actually, it's grown quite a lot since my last video. So let me show you guys. Look at that. Look, more is popping up. I'm telling you, I think it did that because I came out here and did a video. And so now the basil is all like, film me. Your herbs and spices are, your things that you plant are going to be hams. They're going to love the attention, love the affection. Love, love, love it. Okay? And the heat has been bad, but look at my basil. And that's just since the last video. So again, love, inspiration, just start planting. And I can't even tell you, I wish I could capture the smell, but it just smells so good. It smells so good. So, this is an early morning basil check. I want you guys to see how my basil's growing. I'm so proud of it. Have a good Friday.